This is Marantec remote 868 megahertz. We are going to program it, made in Germany, guys. And this one is the new one. This is the working one. So we are going to program it. Just put this and then put the new one. Press the original remote and press the new one. Then leave the together and take it out. That's it. This is the programming for the 868. And if you want to program the second button also you can do it. Just press the working button and press this. That's it. And leave your hand is together. That's it. This is the programming 868 Marantec remote.